Morning, we're on the way to go and see one of our happy customers, Colin Bauer, just in Nottinghamshire. We supplied a whole complete machine of roll rings and breaker rings and some special long axles to Colin, who was going to build a new set of rollers on his farm. And we've worked quite a bit with Colin to deliver him something that he wanted. So let's go and see them.
Morning, Will.
Morning, Colin.
You well?
Yeah, good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, come in.
Excellent.
Colin Bauer, Stud Farm, Rufford. Farming here with my father and mother. They've been here for over 50 years. A fairly simple in-house system, growing wheat and maize and oilseed rape. We'd had a set of rollers that were over 40 years old, getting a bit tired, but a few replacement rings from Will in the past, and we decided that we needed a new set of rollers on the farm to replace the old ones. There's nothing really on the market we liked, so we got in touch with Will and discussed a way forward to have just what we wanted to suit the farm.
And you made these all on the farm yourself then?
All manufactured on the farm, yes, a little bit blacksmith made, but it suits the job. The rollers turn nicely to headland as opposed to a big rigid set that's on the market, which we don't really like. The fact that we've got a ring fence farm means we don't need to go down the road and we don't need any wheels on the rollers, so this suits the operation we've got here.
I suppose the other thing that we had to overcome as well, Colin, was with a kind of a working width of just over 9 metres, and the way that the axles are configured, we had to source some kind of extra long bits of high tensile steel for you. It's generally the high tensile bar that we make the axles from is about 3.1 metre lengths, whereas I think with yours we had to cut them to about 3.4, 3.5 metres.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had to source some special bar and then machine the ends down for the bearings. But I think that the way you've got the bearings configured there with the adjuster cams to help tighten them, I think it's a real neat way of doing it.
Originally we had an old set of hunt rollers, and what we really liked on those was the easy folding and the way they follow the contours. But in addition to that, they had breakers similar to what you've manufactured for us here.
Yeah.
Breaker rings, see these here, are a little bit too sharp, and in a slightly wet conditions, having had a replacement one on the old rollers, we found that they were a bit sticky and licked.
Yeah.
Whereas what you've done for us here just run smooth and clean all the time.
So really the main thing that we did here was the traditional breaker rings that act to clean the Cambridge rollers. We've either got about 30 teeth in, or this one here with 24 teeth, but they can be quite aggressive and actually dig in quite deep in some of the soil conditions, and then tend to pick up wet kind of particles and actually then not clean the rollers. They actually then start to pick up and clog. And as Colin was saying, he had an old hunt roller from about 40 years ago, and the breaker rings were kind of less aggressive, 16 undulations in a rippled fashion rather than spiky teeth. So we actually kind of did a few sketches and sent some drawings to Colin. Colin kind of approved those, and we then manufactured a new pattern in the foundry and then cast the new breakers that are there. And I think been really happy with how they performed.
Really happy and really pleased that you can go to a manufacturer like yourselves and discuss what you want and then come up with the end product. Whereas most people just turn around and say, no, we don't do it.